Hey guys, how are you? I'm Akshita Jain. You all might have wonderful stories about your life in SRMAP. So here we are with an exciting first episode with Shikha Chauhan to speak about her SRMAP journey. Hi Shikha, how are you?
Hi Akshita, I'm doing good. How are you?
Yeah, I am fine. So I was wondering, how was your first day at SRMAP?
First day at my campus. Oh my God, I can't even tell you how nervous I was. Like that was the first time I felt I'm going to be out of place. I felt I couldn't adjust at this place because I barely knew Telugu. And the moment I walked in, I was like, okay, I have to survive here for 4 damn years. I was like, I had a very nervous day that day, and I realized that the typical Bollywood college life doesn't really exist. Like the first day of mine was very scary.
That was great. So, what surprised you about the campus life here, and what are your best memories from SRMAP till now?
As I already mentioned, I felt completely out of place at the beginning. But as time passed, I realized that this place is actually very nice. There was a time when I used to feel that I wouldn't have any friends or I would be very bored here as it is so far away from the city. But I was very happy here in like no time. I was very surprised to see the quality of education provided at SRM. Like the faculty is so amazing. I've always heard that engineering professors are very scary, they're very rude and stuff like that. But trust me, Akshata, I couldn't have got anything better here. They're so amazing and so damn cool. Like, trust me, there was not even one moment where I hesitated in front of them to ask something or to, talk about something or share something. They're so flexible and understanding. There was a time when I was sick and then I needed their help, and they were literally there on call to, explain me things, to help me with assignments. And I'm telling you, I had the best student life experience here. And talking about, yeah, talking about the memories, I can't even like make a list right now. It is going to go on and on forever. Every day has something new for me at SRM. So, and also when we talk about memories, the first thing comes into our mind is friends. Right.
Yeah.
So, so my life had completely changed after I decided to volunteer for the cultural fest. Like, I was very, a very, antisocial person until then. And then I was forced, by a couple of my friends to, take part in the cultural fest. And I decided to volunteer. And since the, main committee were the people of, were some faculties who knew me. So they tried to, push me to the core committee. And that was the time when I actually realized that I have so much of potential in me to manage things, to, be with a lot of people, to convince people. And trust me, that was the point where I found so many of my friends. And after that day, after that fest, there was no looking back. So apparently during that fest, I became friends with a couple of my seniors. Like, they were of my senior batch, and all the time when I was around them, I felt like the small kid of their group. But trust me, I lived my life during that time. College wouldn't have been anything, less amazing without, with them or without them. They were like always there for me. They used to do everything. They used to make me do everything. And I used to wait for the weekends, so that we could go for outings. And not to forget, I had this group of girls, okay, who were in my hostel. We belonged to different states. We had nothing similar. Like, we were like completely opposite. But then the moment we all got together, it was so much fun. I can't even tell you. I can't even count the memories I have with them in hostel. I look back at things and I just see, running around in the, lobby of the hostel. All of us sitting together in one room, watching movies, gossiping, talking about makeup brands, talking about, everything. Like, anything and everything under this wide sky, we had something to gossip about. So I have so many memories when it comes to people here. So I miss it, man. I miss it.
I wish I was a hostler too.
Yeah, it's amazing to be in the hostel. Trust me. Like, before
Yeah.
I used to feel that the hostel is gonna make me feel very lonely. But trust me, I have people around me always in hostel. It is like not even one moment of sadness or being depressed.
That's really cool. So, what is your craziest thing you have done on campus?
Craziest thing. Okay, so am I actually supposed to tell all of this? Like, I'm so I don't know. I can't filter things in my mind because everything happening around me was so much crazy, so much fun. So yeah, so like the craziest thing which I've done in my hostel was okay. So me and this group of friends I told you about, like the girls.
Yeah.
So we had actually taken rooms together, like not as roommates, but the close by rooms, like on the same floor, so that we do not disturb each other and so that we could concentrate on studies. But we always were in the same room. Okay, so in the middle of the night when we were studying for our exams and all of that, we used to like randomly decide to go bang on people's doors and disturb them and just run around in the entire campus and all of that. And coming to crazy things of college, we had so many memories of celebrating festivals. And do you know the Janmashtami celebration we had last year?
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah, so right after that festival, like right after the celebration, of the dahi handi and all, we all danced. Like we danced like crazy. I can't even tell you, there was not even one person who couldn't stop dancing at that point because the vibe there was so different. And then our cultural fest, our freshers, like everybody is so nicely dressed up, so happy, and the vibe created there is so crazy. Like it makes all of us do crazy stuff at that point. And the cultural fest, the concert there, everything was like we were all going crazy with the vibe.
Yeah. It's really cool. Everyone is missing the campus right now.
Yeah, I don't know about others, but I am, man. I really miss the campus.
Yeah. So, what do you do when you aren't in the class?
During like the weekdays, when I'm not in the class, I'm usually like sleeping in my room. Like that's what hostlers do, I think.
Yeah.
But yeah, like if we have exams or something, I'm like rushing to the library. I'm going to people asking for important questions, and then libraries are so full during the exams. So only during the exams, like bracket only during the exams, I'm in the library. But otherwise, I'd probably sleep in my room. I have a pretty monotonous schedule during the weekdays, like classes, and then like there's nothing much to do after that. I'm usually working on something or, caught up with work or assignments or something.
I guess you are a studious person.
Not really, but yeah, there are things to do, commitments to, fulfill.
Yeah. So, what is your most awkward thing that happened to you on campus?
Awkward. Okay. Okay, so I'm sure you all know that I was the MC, like master of ceremony, for a lot of events in our college. Right.
Yeah.
So me and a friend of mine, we were anchoring for this event on Women's Day celebration. Okay. So before that, like the same month, the same month and the previous month, we had done anchoring for like 3 to 4 events. So this time we were overly confident, like, okay, we are going to ace that anyway. So we were that confident. And since it was Women's Day celebration, so we decided to dress up in saris and all of that. So we were wearing, heavy saris with lots of makeup, and we knew it that we would ace it anyway. So we just walked onto the stage so confidently, took the mic and messed up everything. We couldn't even handle the sari. Like we couldn't even walk with the sari around the stage, and then we forgot the script. And the worst part was, so we had a couple of names to announce for the winners of the various competitions we had. Like, we conduct few competitions during the Women's Day. Right, so we had to announce the names. So there was a competition arranged for the helpers of the college. So both of us, like me and the co-anchor, both of us are not natives of AP, so we did not know how to pronounce half the names there. So when we got the list of the names, we told everything and anything possible, and the entire audience ended up laughing at us. So that is like one awkward thing I had to face in college. And our saris were literally, coming in middle of our of our fields and all of that. And it was such a mess that day. We ruined the entire program. Like, according to us, we ruined it, but I did not know how it was for everybody. And trust me, every single person in the audience was laughing at us.
That was really awkward thing.
Yeah, very awkward.
So what are your 3 things you miss at SRMAP due to pandemic and online classes?
Okay, so to be honest, one thing I miss is the study atmosphere, because in classes in college there's a different atmosphere. Like, you wake up, you take a bath, you dress up, you go to classes, you have somebody monitoring you, you are more attentive during that time. But at home I am not like that attentive, and this is making me feel that the quality of education I am providing for myself is going down. And secondly, I miss my friends. Like, I miss my friends and the hostel fun and all the crazy things we did in college. And the third thing, I think that would be the privacy of staying in a hostel. Like, it is so different to be all by yourself and be so independent and do everything by yourself, right? So I think that level of independence and that level of privacy is missing at home.
I guess we all are feeling the same, right?
Yeah, true.
Yeah. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how much you miss campus right now?
I think I probably miss college. I would give it an 8, I think. Because I think if I were more antisocial, then I would miss it a little more, maybe. So yeah, 8.
So would you like to give a shout out to anyone on this podcast?
Okay, so I'll take a couple of names. A big shout out to Arpita, Bhumika, Priyanka, Janvi, Divya, Sakshi, Abhirami, Aparna, Nikhil, Junaidi, Saurabh, and not to forget Harshini, Praveen and Jagrut. A big shout out to you guys. I miss you all so much, and I can't wait to see you all again. Yeah.
Well, thanks a lot for coming and sharing your journey, Shikha. On the next episode, we are bringing in everyone's favorite singer from SRMAP. So stay tuned and give us the feedback on our website mentioned in the details.